In other news, the Modimolle Regional Court in Limpopo was hearing the case against 3 suspects accused of the theft of $580,000 at President Cyril Ramaphosa's Phala Phala farm in Bela-Bela. Immanuela David and his co-accused, who are siblings Floriana and Ndilinasho Joseph, allegedly stole $500,000 that was stuffed in a sofa at the farm back in February of 2020. A data analyst is now continuing to give testimony at that case. Proceedings underway. Let's listen in.
Garage iliko Transcorp one stop northbound o kilo imwe 0.9.
And then on the screenshot, the following screenshot on page 69, Your Worship, is the indication of the times, the cell phone number associated with Ergishi Congo, that it activated the fear bomb or towers, cell phone towers in the coverage area of the fear bomb between 5:31 and 10:22. And the cell phone number with cell phone number associated, the handset with cell phone number associated with Simon Hijapo. Is this 080 associated with? No, it's Immanuela David. Is 658 and 901.
Efanoeli lalandula ko pepanja onironga manono ngoi. Efanoeli talulike kucha omepo ya kwatange ipi o cell phone number yo kwalita ilongi fako Eric Shikongo ovilioyo onano yongula bitu femirongo na tunaimwe ne sekonde diro mirongo nena nano fio ponlongo wapi tifo mirongo mbali na mbali ne sekonde mirongo nena yali ndena ikwalita ilongi fako Immanuela David ovilieshi alio hamano ya pitifo mirongo nano na hetatu ne sekonde diri hamano fio pomoi ya pitifa o minute umwauke ni sekonde diri mbali.
And the last one is the handset with cell phone number associated with Willard Takalo between 10:09 and 10:11.
And lila unina o ngojo kwalita ilongi fwa kuwila Takalo okwali ponelo po ovilieshi alio longo wapitife minute dili omoi ne sekonde dili mirongo nena heyali fio onlongo wapitifa onlongo nane ne sekonde dili mirongo na hamano.
And then the next picture, Your Worship, is the cell phone tower mapping, where I indicate where I circled in red is the indication of the fear bomb tower. Circled in red, and the engine Transcorp one stop north.
Efanolo liliopo openapa ndatenda no peniti liana okulika kucha omepo oyokwalita ikwata kanifa cell phone ule wako napa vali po engine garage oyo one stop ule wao ovali veli peni ule ufike peni.
The handset with cell phone number 0838981596 associated with Simon Hijapo activated the Imbizi VC tower at 5:14:24, and this was the last cell phone tower it activated. It was activated by this handset on 9 February 2020. As shown on the screenshot below.
Takutiwa ongodo norano hetatu nonato hetatu nongo ino hetatu imwe nonano nongo ino hamano kwalita ilongi fwa ku Simon Hijapo oyakakwate kwa komepo yoyedina Imbizi VC ovilieshi ali onano ya pitifa onlongo nane ne sekonde dilo mirongo mbali nane nde ongodo yo kujapo inaika kwate kabali kaulike kucha okwali ya mapeni efikoro kwali masiku ile omwe ya February o 2020 ongashi ndeshi yanja pefanopo.
Then now we
know where the Imbizi VC base station is based.
Yes, it's in the vicinity of I dealt with it before on the cell phone tower mapping for Bela-Bela CBD. It's in the vicinity of Bela-Bela CBD. So moving from the vicinity of both farms, early hours of the 9th, it moved towards Bela-Bela CBD, but last activated their cell phone tower in the vicinity of Bela-Bela CBD.
Epulola pulwa kucha otodulubelo kutulongwela kucha onelo yoyo imbizi eya kwateka olwanovo oyama langele peni kwati ondeshipopya konima kunya kucha ponela pakwalipatewa ngenge tojipo wafa wauka ko Bela-Bela opena onele opopo alipena omepo yote ikwatakanisa engodi oyo edinalo imbizi nde ongodi oyo tasieshi yafikapo mange inaifika modoropa Bela-Bela opuo inaika kwateka wali kucha oilipeni.
If you can just go back a bit, Your Worship, on page 54, when I was dealing with the cell phone tower mapping, is the last cell phone tower that I dealt with there, where it says the Mbizi LIM tower is situated approximately 7.87 kilometers from the engine Bela-Bela in CBD.
Ngenge ompimane kwa opashona konima pepa njomerongo nanonane ondapopya ndanja kucha ukule we network ndo kwalita dikwateke engodiodo okwali diliko kule nga helipi nonele nenge okwa kumifiro maholi po engine yomo Bela-Bela. So ngengo watalo pata kutiwa kucha edinalolo imbizi okwali iliko kule kilomita dili heyali 0.87 okuja po engine mo Bela-Bela.
Now we then move to 9 February 2020 in Bela-Bela CBD.
Peife ngaha ohatu popi omafikweli omoi a February 2020 tuline ngaha peni omo Bela-Bela.
From the coverage area of the Fear Bomb Telkom UW Tower, the handset with cell phone number 060-348-6747 associated with Ergi Shikongo, the handset with cell phone number 082-050-9068 associated with Immanuela David, and the handset with cell phone number 076-328-0647 associated with Willard Takalo, moved to Bela-Bela CBD.
Otakutiwa kucha okutwala ke kwatolo mepo olola kakwata engodedi nedinalo lofio bom Telkom UW engodedi donomora onorano hamano nonora onatu noneno hetatu hamano heyali noneno heyali igualita ilongi kwa Eric Shikongo opamwe no cell phone number yo norano hetatu nombali norano nano norano moyo norano hamano hetatu gualita ilongi kwa Immanuela David opamwe no cell phone number yo nora no heyali no hamano onatu nombali no hetatu onora no hamano oneno heyali gualita ilongi kwa Villa Takalo ovaya tavea mo doropa ya Bela-Bela.
The handset with cell phone number 066-380-8373 associated with Floriana Joseph, and the handset with cell phone number 082-831-3653 associated with Thomas Ngishimono, moved from the vicinity of Phala Phala Farm and Stockist Drive Farm to Bela-Bela CBD.
Otakutiwa engodi dita dikarangura payo norane hamano dilimbali onatu no hetatu nonora hetatu nonatu oheyali nonatu igualita ilongi kwa Floriana Joseph opamwe no cell phone number yo norano hetatu nombali hetatu nonatu no imwe onatu ohamano nonano nonatu igualita ilongi kwa Thomas Ngishimono yo ovaja onelo yo ya Phala Phala opamwe nonelo yo kwalita yulike kucho Stockist Drive Farm votavea modoropa ya Bela-Bela.
The handset with cell phone numbers, sorry, Your Worship, I skipped something. The handset with cell phone number 082-865-3694 associated with David Joseph was in Bela-Bela CBD.
Otakutiwa ongodi oyoyo norano hetatu nombali hetatu nohamano nonano natu nohamano ongoi noni equalita irongifwa ku David Joseph yo oyali nale modoropa ya Ramaphosa.
And the handsets with cell phone numbers associated with these individuals activated cell phone towers in the vicinity of Bela-Bela CBD around the same times as can be seen on the screenshots below.
Ndodakutiwa engode didili natu eshi dalimo Ramaphosa adishe odakakwatwa komepo yedzina limwalike efimbo limwalike ngashi shili komafano.
Page 72, sorry, that's just the mapping and the association I conducted, painting a picture, the Bela-Bela CBD and the handsets with cell phone numbers associated with Floriana Joseph, David Joseph, Erkishi Kongo, Thomas Ngishimono, Willet Takalo, and Immanuela David in the vicinity of Bela-Bela CBD.
Pepa njo mirongo heyali nambali elefano ikenda tulapo kucha obanu abakwali bene ngodi neno muradidili hapano majina ele hapa eshibali belimo barambata omubali nengaha efimbole li bashakena Floriana Joseph na David Joseph na Eric Shipongo na Thomas Ngishiko Vele Takalo na Immanuel David.
This, Your Worship, we are dealing with the movements and cell phone locations from the morning of the 9th to the afternoon of the 9th.
Eshinga hapa ohatukapo byasheli kolelela engodi eshikwalita dende mavikweli omoi a February okujongula fiyo ifimbo loko nguloshi.
The handset with cell phone number 0820509068 associated with Immanuela David between 10:28:49 and 15:39:10 as shown on the screenshot below.
Otakutiwa cell phone number oyo norano hetatu nombali norano nano norano ngoino norano hama nono hetatu kwalita ilombi fa Immanuel David ovileshi ali onlongo ongula wapitifa omirongo balina hetatu ne sekonde diro mirongo neno ngoi fio eshi ali onatu yapitifa omirongo natu no ngoi ne sekonde diro onlongo ongashi shili pefanopo.
On the screenshot, Your Worship, between the times I've mentioned, on the far right is the cell phone towers that this handset activated in Bela-Bela CBD.
Efanueli li apanda tulapa umbangi okuliga kusha ongodyoyo oyakakwatwa komepo yomadina elipi ngengo twatale kokule kashona kolulyo langyoko.
The handset with cell phone number 060-348-6747 associated with Erkisho Congo between 10:23:58 and 20:18:21 as shown on the screenshot below.
Apatapukalandula cell phone number yonorano hamanono nora onatu none no hetatu hamanono heyali one no heyali igualita ilongi kwa Eric Shikongo. Ovili eshiali onlongo wapitifo mirongo mbalinana tu fiyo mirongo sekondo mirongo nanona hetatu ndefio ovili eshiali hetatu yoko nguloshi yapitifa minuto onlongo na hetatu ne sekondo mirongo mbalina imwe ongashi efano talulikopo.
The handset with cell phone number 076-328-0647 associated with Willard Takalo between 10:36:13 and 22:24:07.
And ongodi kwa wana tango yoyo norano heyali no hama nono natu numbali no hetatu onora no hama no neno heyali kwa lita ilongi kwa Willard Takalo ovili eshi yali onlongo wapitife minute dilo milongo natu na hama no ne sekonde dilo onlongo na natu ndefio ovili eshi yali onlongo woko nguloshi wapitifa minute dili mbali ne sekonde dili heyali ongasheke efano ndeli turap.
And page 75, the column far right is the cell phone towers that this handset activated in the vicinity of Bela-Bela CBD.
Epanja ololo mirongo heyali na nano ngengo twataleponawa opena omadina omepoyo kwali taikwatakana kumweno cell phone number yo nokonela pad,
which continues up to page 76 and also indicating that last cell phone tower at 22:24:07.
De hatu ipe panjo mirongo heyali na hamano na tango otaitulikire kucha ongo diae oyakakwatwa komepo ilipi rahunina ovili oyo ngasheshinde ipopya. upopetameko.
The handset with cell phone number 066-380-8373 associated with Floriana Joseph between 11:57:55 and 15:40:46 as shown on the screenshot below.
Naita ikalandurako oyo norano hamano veli wavarionatu no hetatu no nora hetatu no natu no heali no natu. Oyo kwalita irongi fa Floriana Joseph ovili eshi ali onlongo naimwe ongula ya pitifa minuto mirongo nano na heali ne sekonde tiro mirongo nano na nano fio onatu ya pitifa minuto mirongo ne sekonde tiro mirongo ne na hamano.
You've been listening in there to the proceedings in the Phala Phala theft case currently underway at Modimolle Regional Court in Limpopo. That's where, as you can see on your screen, 3 suspects have appeared as the trial finally gets underway. The court is currently hearing from a cell phone data analyst who's placed at least 2 of the suspects on your screen in the farm itself on the day of the theft that was carried out, we understand, in February of 2020. We'll